getting a credit card when I was 18, bank loans. It stopped me sort of doing anything really at college.
Matthew was a teenager when he started gambling.
I just could not see a way out.
It was an addiction which later cost him his marriage, his house and his job. He was sent to prison for stealing hundreds of thousands of pounds to fund it.
You really think that you are going to change your life by winning a lot of money, and that takes over. I just don't know how I'm alive, to be honest. I really don't. I know that might seem sensational, but if I'd have carried on gambling, it would have definitely killed me.
Hundreds of thousands of people in Great Britain are thought to be so-called problem gamblers. Millions more are considered low risk. And the health service is having to help, doubling the number of specialist clinics in the last year. Clinics which provide therapy and peer support.
So this is life-changing and life-altering treatment for people. They come to us in quite a dark place, but we're also just really worried about the extent of the commercial environment, how normalised gambling has been.
Between 2022 and 2023, there were almost 1,400 referrals to NHS gambling clinics in England. That was a huge, nearly 80% rise on 2 years earlier.
Making the first step to say that you recognise that you need help.
This, the first NHS gambling clinic in England. In service since 2008, it's had more than 400 referrals in the last year. But the NHS chief executive is clear. Support for addicts must exist beyond the health service.
We are absolutely asking for more to be done from societies as a whole, from the gambling industry, to help to manage what can be a really serious set of problems with problem gambling and gambling addiction, which can be deeply destructive and destroy lives.
In a statement, the Betting and Gaming Council said their members each year contribute tens of millions of pounds towards research, prevention and treatment to help prevent gambling-related harm and tackle problem gambling, which is currently paid through a unique voluntary levy scheme. This funds an independent network of charities which treats around 85% of all problem gamblers receiving treatment in Britain. The UK gambling industry is worth £14 billion a year. It's always available at the touch of a button. A 24-hour operation. Molly Malone, Sky News.